K method in proportion. So let us see what is the K method in this ratio and proportions and how to apply. So in some problems we equate each of the equal ratios to K. Okay, for example, if you see, if you take any one ratio, okay, A by B is equals to B by C. Now we can equate this as K. So for three quantities A, B, C are in continued proportion, because we know A, B, C are in continued proportion. There is A by B is equal to B by C. So we can take let it as K because of A, B, C are in continued proportion. Or and A by B is equals to C by D, that is equals to K we can take. This is for four quantities A, B, C, D are in continued proportion. Here is only A, B, C are in a continued proportion. This ABC are in continued proportion, we can use equal to K. And here is A, B, C, D are in continued proportion. So A by B is equal to C by D, that is equals to K. And or we'll continue the same as this. If you take A by B is equals to B by C is equals to C by D. You can take it as K. Here is four quantities A, B, C, D. Four quantities are in continued proportion. Same A by B, B by C, C by D. However it is, they are in A is to B is equal to C is to D. They are in proportion. If they are continued proportion also, we can take this. Here also same A, B, C, D are in continued proportion, we can take. Let us see how to solve using this concept in the problems. Let me take one example here. If A, B, C are in continued proportion, okay, for example, if A comma B comma C are in continued, already studied, you learned previous about this continued proportion. Same, if ABC are in continued proportion and we need to prove, we have to prove that, let us see. Question is ABC in the bracket A plus B plus C whole cube is exactly equals to AB plus BC plus CA whole cube. So to prove this, if ABs are in continued proportion, we need to prove this. For this type of cases, we can use the K method. Okay, let us see once. Okay, this is the problem now. So to solve this, let already we know A, B, C are in continued proportion. So that is A by B is equals to B by C. Now that one we can take some constant K. Okay, you can use as a K method. Using this A value, B value find out in terms of K now. So from this A is equals to BK. Okay, A by B is equal to K, right? So we can separate this. A by B is equals to K and similarly B by C also is equals to K. So if A by B is equal to K, then A is equals to BK. This is one. And B is equals to, from this B is equals to CK. Right? A is equals to BK and B is equal to CK. Then A is equals to, A value also in terms of C if you want, then A is equals to, B is nothing but C into K. Okay, C into K again from this. This is a CK square. A is equals to. That means even A, all first term should convert into last except the B. Instead of by leaving the middle, we have to convert like this. So A is equals to BK and A is equals to CK square. Now using this, let us see, we'll take LHS and we'll prove RHS. So here is LHS is ABC in the bracket A plus B plus C whole cube. This one we need to prove this AB plus BC plus CA whole cube. But directly we can't prove, that's why we can use this K method. First we'll take LHS and we'll simplify, and we'll take RHS and also we'll simplify to get the same answer. RHS is AB plus BC plus CA whole cube. So the use of the K method is directly by taking LHS we can't prove RHS. So LHS you apply these values and RHS also apply the values of ABC. You simplify, you will get the same answer then LHS is equal to RHS will confirm. Okay, so here is in the place of ABC, so we'll substitute. Full question will convert into only single variable, that is C. Okay, wherever A is there, you can substitute ck square. In the place of B, ck will substitute. Okay, A place is ck square. Just we can use this method. ABC. A is ck square and B is ck into C asterisk. Now within the bracket, A plus B plus C. Just you can similarly. So A is ck square plus B is ck plus C whole cube. Just in the place of C, asterisk I kept. Whole cube is given. Now let us simplify this. C 3 times. C cube and K cube. And next A plus B plus C whole cube. So from this C common if you take, that means C cube. From inside, if I take C cube is common, remaining is C overall cube is there. For C also cube, for every term we can apply the cube. The remaining is 1 plus K square will get. Okay, just to more simplify this into this C to the power 6 K cube in the bracket 1 plus K square. Okay, here is a ck square plus ck plus C. If I take C common and C whole cube is there, that's why C cube is a common. Let be equation 1. Let us try to solve in RHS. If we get same asterisk like LHS, then it's approved. Here is A into B. So A is ck square because A, B, B, C, C, A. Everything we convert into the single letter. That is last, third one is C. And K. ck square and B is equals to C into K. Okay, you can keep the dot also, it's into only. Plus again ck into C. C into A is ck square. Just to simplify this. From ck square ck, so C square K cube plus C square K plus C square K square. Just we can take again C to the power 6. For this overall cube, whole cube is there again. So C square if we take common, again whole cube. So that is C power 6. And K if you common, then K cube. Right? The remaining is same 1 plus K square will get whole cube. Asterisk. So individually can take. There is a second one. So first and second we got same, then we can confirm hence prove because LH from 1 comma 2 LHS is equals to RHS. So this is the concept you'll apply to solve the K method. So whenever ABC or ABCD or even ABCDE are in continued proportion, we can make it as K and we'll solve. So not only this, we'll see few more problems based on the K method now. So I'll explain some more problems you'll see using the K method in this proportion.